हम
जूम
लोग भी
वाला
तो कर
रिकॉर्ड कर
सकते
रहे
हैं
हैं।
ना।
चलो
मजा आता है।
टाइम शुरू।
चलो चलो, मजा आएगा।
शुरू हो यार।
चले स्टार्ट करें।
हाँ
हाँ करो करो, कौन मना किया?
अरे ये, चलो चलो
बर्गर खा रहा
चलो खाते
है। ओके।
खाते। ओ माँ।
अबे ये इसको वो कर दो, इसको किक करो, इसको करो।
अपना कैमरा बंद करके खा। सब तो हो गया,
कैमरा
चलो।
बंद कर, कैमरा बंद कर, मोटा।
हो गया लास्ट शुरू।
Okay. Good morning, guys. So we are here to discuss on behalf of how to revive our Indian economy. Okay. So first of all,
दो तो लगा दो।
we are going to discuss. I am going to discuss on what is Indian economy. Okay, what are the benefits of Indian economy, or basically what is Indian economy? So Indian economy tells that the whatever the purchase or import and export or buying or selling taking place in within the country, for which the country got some benefit or the profit, which is converted into GDP. So this is the basic fundamental means definition of Indian economy. In this way, the big industries or the big government agencies, life insurance of corporation of India, and NTPCs, big PSUs, they are they are the main pillars of the Indian economy. Whatever the benefit they are what I can say, whatever benefit they are getting, or they are just getting from the market, that is directly related to the Indian economy. So if there is any impact on themselves, it is directly hampering our Indian economy. Basically, the import and export plays a very vital role in this. Our point is how to revive Indian economy. As we can say, as we can clearly see that the data came in 2020, that our GDP goes to minus 23.6%. So it is a very it's a matter of worry. As a youth, we can we can suggest our government to to emphasize on more on Swadeshi products, as our Prime Minister already told about this, that make in India policies and made in India policies, importing of foreign goods should be minimized as much as it can, because the less would be import, the more profit can our government can make in India. Last, and the second thing is the export of grains. As we can know that our country India is a very is a farming country. Very plenty of grains are present, so we can export grains. For that, profit can be come to our India. Petroleum or the oil that we export from the Arab country should be minimized. Whatever the sources of energy are in our country, we have to focus or use on that only. No need to more import petroleum product from the Arab country. We can also encourage or encourage our entrepreneur or big investor to invest within the India, so that the profit can directly goes to our country. And luxurious items from the urban countries can be minimized, because luxurious item cost too much, and the taxes our government has to pay very much on that. So that that can be the points which I would like to show.
Okay, Anand.
Next.
You have covered almost all the points. So I want to add something that before reviving our economy, we should know the problem. What is in our economy? So first of all, the politicians. They digest more money than anyone in our country. If we give them some money to work for on our roads or to make our building or something else school, half of the monies are always being digested by the middle ones, and the rest by the politicians. No work is done. Because of that, the economy down. Because if schools was there, then the children would study, and the tax will come from tax will be generated from the school. Then the corruption, black money. If all the black money are injected again into the Indian market, then you can imagine how good would be the economy. And we should encourage. And talking about the solutions, we can say that uh, we should encourage people to pay more and more tax so that the cash flow in the market keeps going. You have watched a movie series which came recently, Scam 1992. In that, what happened? The market goes up when the money was put into the market. When the money is put into the market, the money goes up. So Indian government should encourage people. They should tell the people to buy stocks, to to put money in the market so that the money gets a jump. Whenever there is a jump in market, each and every stock's value increases. So and that contributes into the economy a lot. So that's my idea. What you all say?
Yeah,
So okay.
actually, the Indian economy, that is why there is that why we need to revive the Indian economy, because the main point is that there is full corruption. Whatever you give, whatever you, which amount of you tax you pay, that will never work in a full amount. Some amount will be given to this politician, some amount will be taken by this politician, and the main worker will get nearly nothing. That's the main problem. And now, according to our topic, how we can revive Indian economy, as Modi ji told that Atmanirbhar. So Atmanirbhar, how can we be Atmanirbhar with, like, all the policies and the amount that like bank nowadays all has become digital India, that by that many are benefited and many are not benefited, because some of the people who don't know how to use the digital thing, that has also that doesn't give benefit to them, like that. Then as Anand told, we can invest in agriculture. Like in India, agriculture is a part where we can invest, and we can get a good amount of profit. So from that we can export to other countries, yeah, other international business we can do that from there. And the oil, the price of the oil is very high. So when we are taking the oil from the other countries, we can deal with them like that, to so that they can reduce the price, and we can benefit it here from, we can benefit it from there. And mostly the industry, as Atul told, there's the if there is money in the industry, then it will circulate and we will get a good amount of profit. It is exactly correct, because whenever the rate whenever the note of rupees 2000 has been newly introduced, that time you will notice that the car industry, the sale of the car industry has decreased lot. And in that industry, the amount of money was like there was no money and nobody was buying. From there we can get a profit of lot. That has been hampered that time. And one thing is that China's loss, there is India's gain. So these are the points I given. Now I think that uh, my colleagues will say something.
Okay. So I like to add that before reviving the India's economy, we must revive our own thoughts. We must be more responsible. As Atul said, as Anand said, firstly that before doing the export and import business, we must revive our good thoughts. That we must, as a responsible citizen, we must all pay the taxes. Like I know a person beside my house who always issues a false income tax receipt, and he shows that his income is like this. but I know, as a personally, I know what is his income and how much he gets money in monthly. But he always issues a false income tax receipt,
Statement.
so that the actual income is not known to us. So this is a very typical example of all the Indian citizens. I mean, not only the politicians, but almost
Normal
70 to
citizens
80%
also.
of Indian,
Yes.
yes, common citizens also, they don't show their actual income tax report.
Yes.
So this is, I think, one of the biggest problem in the Indian economy at
Yes,
first place.
black money. It is
Second
a
thing,
type of black
yes,
money.
it is a black, it is a typical type of black money. And secondly, I think that we can't at a whole we can just offer use of Chinese products or something like that. We must limit it to some extent. Uh, we must give our local and cultural handmade products some importance, so that they can earn some money, and they can contribute to the India's economy, as they can pay the taxes. Okay, so, and third comes the about the share markets. So if we raise prices of some necessity items, so then many, as let me say, then I am a stakeholder of that share market. So why will I receive a share from that? If the price increases, then I, as a stakeholder, will be interested to take from that. When the price rises, we have seen that, as you have mentioned, the scam 1992, and the share market, how it runs. As the price rises, many of the stakeholders like us, many of the new stakeholders like us, gets interested to take the share of that particular product, and by that thing only, the share rises, and the Indian economy can also be revived by the thing. And one of the main thing in India's problem in the recent times, we have seen that the problem of refugees. India is I mean, from the primitive days, India is a wholehearted country. It welcomes everyone that comes into its gate. I mean, as a human being, it's other thing that someone is in danger, you may welcome him or not. But as a bulk, we must not give every refugees a chance to live in this country. This because we are not able to feed our own people rightly. Okay,
They will use the
then how will we?
uh, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
They will use the benefit. They will use the benefit.
Yes, yes, right. I mean, whatever we
They will
get
use
as
the
an
resources.
economy,
Resource.
yes, they will
They
use
will
the
use the
resources, and we can't say that they how much the income they will send to their country. So it is
Yes,
benefited for
yes.
their country, not for ours. So like this way, I think the Indian economy is in the negative direction, and by these things, I think we can revive the Indian economy, and the rest you people see what.
But adding the some point in Anubhav last statement. Anubhav told that the refugees uh, coming of refugees in our country may be a great loss to our Indian economy, but as whatever they will purchase, or whatever they will earn within the country India, they will give to other country where they are living, native country. Okay, that is the lost point. No, that is not the lost point. If their currency level is less than our Indian economy, means our 1 rupee, our 1 rupee value is more than the rupees or the whatever currency value of that country, so we will be benefited.
No,
Our
okay. You are saying something else,
but if
but
the person is from US, because their dollar is very high, so there we can face loss. But the dollar come into our country, there we will face some gain.
no, this is
Yes,
this is something else.
yeah,
What Anubhav is saying, that the people which will come, they will come in bulk, not in one or two, and not as a tourist.
yes,
That they will contribute in
Yes.
the economy, and we will be benefited. They will come to live here. They will use the resources. They will
There
take the
also they
jobs.
will do the same thing, that
Yes,
by not
they
giving
will
the
take the
full amount
jobs
of
which
tax.
would be of our people, which would be of our Indian people, so
Yes.
that they can earn and give their family. And if they have a good income, then they would be paying taxes. But this is not in the case of other refugees. They will not pay tax, as they are not citizens of India. They will just earn, and
and
whatever else, if they want to give money back to their country, they will
yes.
give. They will keep the money.
If they earn
No
50
money
rupees,
flow,
they will
no
give
cash flow
back
in the
50 rupees.
market. and in fact they are
Yes,
taking
and
the
you
jobs
know
of
that.
our Indian citizens. So it is a
Mm.
big downfall for the economy of India. So we should
There
not
And
is
I like
a
allow
to.
big hole.
refugee.
There is a big hole present within our country. As earlier,
Yes.
Anubhav told that the taxpayers,
Mm.
you guys will be amazed that the total percentage of population of our country, only 10% or 7% people give taxes. So
Yes.
on focusing of the on focusing. Yeah. No, opinion. On focusing about the refugees, we should have to give more emphasis on our taxpayers, Indian taxpayer.
Mm.
If we can manage the 90 to 95% of taxpayer within our Indian
Mm.
economy by the Indian people, there will be no need to worry about the refugees
Yeah,
what they
but
are giving
but
50
Yeah.
rupees or
So,
50
okay,
rupees.
okay, but
okay,
Before
it
but
is
giving
good
how
to make.
will
anyone,
they how will they pay income tax if they are not getting jobs? The jobs are all taken away by the
Yeah,
refugees. Then how
but
will
most of the
they
jobs are,
pay
they
tax?
are taking part in the jobs. Okay,
Yes, if we will give jobs to
so
the
Government should have to
refugees,
think na. Government should
yes,
have
yes,
to make some
that's
that's
policies.
what
what
I'm,
we are saying now, that they should
that's
not
what
be
I'm
allowed.
saying, that
if first of all we have to see, no, if they can't provide good food, good resources to their own people, then how can they will provide the
That's the
resources
topic
to the.
of another day. It is not a topic to revive our Indian economy. It is not.
No, no,
We
it's
I
should have to
mean,
you
focus
are
that
saying that
It
reviving.
is, it
refugees
is.
doesn't
No,
more
no, it is not.
contribute, but they are the main reason for the downfall of
They
the.
are not the main reason. They are one of the
not
reason.
main reason, but
There are
they
many
can
main
be a
reasons.
reason.
Ah,
They can
they
be a
can be
reason
a
Those
of
are
the
reason.
all
downfall.
points. Those are all points. You can't
Yes,
go that only
I
one
mean,
point. You can move on.
Anand, you have said that if we can control our own citizens, then we can revive the Indian economy, right? So
Hmm.
it's better to control a small amount of people rather than a large amount of people.
Yes,
Why would we control the other people? They are not related to our country. First, we have to learn
We
to
should
control
have
our
to
people only.
control our own
Yes,
citizens. That is
yes.
the
Yes.
point.
As you know that,
Government should make
as you
a
know
rule
that
that
I am living in the state of Tripura, and here mostly 70 to 80% of the people are refugees. I know. My family is also a refugee. I mean that half of my family from mother side is also refugee. So and these nowadays the MPs and MLAs are in my state. They also came from the Bangladesh only. I know that. And you, as you have said, you people have said that most of the black monies are taken by the politicians. So they now are taking most of the black monies as they are incoming. Okay, so it's better to have a controlled refugees. I mean that I have to say that if someone comes in our border and say my life is at risk, if I go to that country, someone will kill me. So after all, we are humans, right? So we may give them space, but
some
bulk
part.
refugees, we have to control bulk refugees. So that's a big problem for the Indian country as well as the Indian economy also.
Okay, now finally we come to the conclusion part. So please conclude, Atul, in few words.
According to me, if we want to revive our economy, then as Anubhav also said, we all have to take responsibility of the country and pay taxes on time and everything else. And we should keep cash flow in the market so that the
Yes.
economy get increasing or decreasing. It should not be only decreasing. The cash
Yes,
flow is
very
the
nicely explained. Kundu, please conclude in few words.
According to me, as everyone said that about the taxes and in above all, I want to say one thing, that government should take few steps so that the taxes that these points are coming, like taxes not paying by someone, this one, that one. So he or she, the government should take any release any kind of rule so that people can't cheat on the India's government, and they should pay their taxes accordingly. And I have also mentioned above the points, like they can focus on the agriculture part and car industry, and many industry are there. So these are the points according to me. Thank you.
Okay, Anubhav, make your point in a short while.
So my conclusion is, first of all, we all, I mean, not if not 100%, then at least 80 to 90% of the people should pay tax. That's how we can at least come to the point in Indian economy, in Indian good economy. And secondly, we must increase our business to the other countries also than what we are good at. And thirdly, I would like to say that we must give importance to our handmade items, which can be exported from our country to the others also. Which is, I think, these points are can be really helpful.
And also, I want to add one more point that
At
we
some
should
point,
include a
Atul, please add
chapter.
up.
We should include a chapter in our children's
Yeah.
book in early ages to let them know about
Yes.
the
In primary
Absolutely,
education.
yes in primary education,
Absolutely.
because
And they,
that is the main stage where
yes, yes.
students make their mind how will I become in the future. So we should include good chapters
Yeah.
for economy interesting in way, not that boring way, so that they can learn and enjoy also that how to do these things.
Yes, yes, yes. And here is my conclusion from my side. Ultimately, my points were clear to all of you. I have put up the points: use of Swadeshi products, importing, exporting, and this type of all thing. But the point is, as long as the corruption will be backbone of our Indian economy, government applying many policies, there will be no benefit. No benefit will be there. Corruption will be there. No benefit of the Indian people. So on the ground level, we should have to minimize corruption as much as possible. How? We can directly go and purchase the product which where there is no middleman, just like the diyas and the candle made by the hand makers, pot makers. They are there. There is no middleman there. Directly we can give them paisa rupees and we can purchase their products. So by directly purchasing and selling of the products from the market, Indian vegetable sellers, okay, we can some I have seen that some people are what bargaining from the vegetable shopkeepers, that please rebate some 2 rupees from 15 rupees of dhania. How what is the need of that? There is no need of that na. If you want to bargain, so please bargain in 1 crore of deal, please minus some 1 lakh rupees. There you cannot bargain. Your pride come. So please, we should have to build up our mentality that bargaining, and support our local shopkeepers. In this way, by taking small steps, we can revive our Indian economy. As we are youth, we can do anything. Thank you very much.
बोले भाई
काफी सही।
बस ये कि if you do not bargain with the vegetables or the vendors, they will go on something or else. They will say the prices as much as they want. If you
कितना
do not
15 रुपए
bargain,
का धनिया
so
25 रुपए में
उसके
बेचेगा
बाद
और कितना?
स्टेक होल्डर शेयर मार्केट में आ जाएंगे.
we should bargain. If
3 मिनट में
अब
मीटिंग खत्म हो
the
जाएगा.
price
देखना है
is
वीडियो.
very high according
गया
to
ना?
the market.
रिकॉर्ड
मिनट
तो हो
हुआ
रहा
है.
था.
रिकॉर्ड
23
हुआ
मिनट
है.
हुआ है. हाँ हुआ है.
तो मीटिंग बंद
अभी
कर
ये
रहे हैं.
मीटिंग
मीटिंग
खत्म हो
हमारा
जाएगा, तो
खत्म,
अभी इसको फिर से ज्वाइन
इस
करना है
समय
ना.
खत्म हो गया, नया मीटिंग बना है.
हाँ जल्दी
अरे
बनाओ.
इधर रिकॉर्डिंग दिखा